Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery. Once done, go directly to your Samsung settings, General, Apple AirPlay settings, and turn AirPlay on. You should also check for firmware and iOS/Mac OS updates so you avoid compatibility hiccups. Make sure AirPlay requires a code if you want security. Now, with AirPlay enabled and devices updated, you're ready to initiate the first connection from your iPhone or Mac. You'll now start the actual connection. On iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and pick your Samsung TV from the list. On Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar and choose the TV pick use as separate display if you want extended desktop rather than mirroring. When a 4-digit code appears on the TV, type it into your device to authenticate. This prevents accidental pairings. Once connected, adjust volume and set aspect ratio if images look cropped or letterboxed. You're nearly done. When finished, stop mirroring from Control Center or the Mac AirPlay icon so the TV returns to normal. To improve quality, change the TV picture mode, tweak Mac display scaling, or rotate your iPhone for correct orientation. These small tweaks fix framing and color. If you hit trouble, restart your router, TV, and source device, then rejoin the same network. This simple reset resolves most discovery or buffering problems. If issues persist, check restrictions in AirPlay settings on the TV.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.